On Monday and Tuesday, I will be in Tripoli for the third EU-Africa Summit. I am delighted to be representing the European Union at this summit in the ancient city of Tripoli. We in Europe have a particularly close and special relationship with our African neighbours. Our partnership is one of the most enduring relationships in the world, and it is the only strategic partnership that links two continents. Our African partners are on the threshold of a new era, with many African states now celebrating half a century of independence and many experiencing new rates of growth and development. I believe that this summit will mark a leap forward in our shared history, a turning point in our relations. 3 years after our strategic partnership was launched in Lisbon in 2007, we will be taking it forward, forging even closer ties. The main focus of our summit will be on jobs and growth. Boosting investment, economic growth and job creation is more important than ever for our people on our two continents. For the first time in our relations with Africa, we will be looking at how we can strengthen the role of the private sector and create a more business-friendly environment. 2010 is the African Year of Peace and Security. This will be the focus of the second day of the summit meeting. I am pleased to say also that the EU will be contributing €1 billion to supporting peace and security in Africa. Our summit in Libya opens the same day as the Cancun conference. The African continent is particularly vulnerable to climate change. In Tripoli, we will be calling jointly for a successful conclusion to the negotiations. And I promise that we will do everything we can to deliver.